Hello friends, I am very happy to welcome you all, the people those who love to speak English. Today we are going to discuss about a very simple topic, that is B family words. Not the B family, complete family we are going to discuss, only about am. Am is usually called the wife of I. Why do I say so? Because am goes always with only I. It does not move with any other pronouns. So now we are going to discuss completely about am. I, almost it moves with only am. But am moves only with I. One cannot frame sentences without the help of am. For example, I am Arpudaraj. I am from Chennai. I am 25 years old. I am here. I am a teacher. I am from America. I am fond of biscuits. So, if you want to speak English, we must use correctly the usage of am. In tense wise, if we look at, am goes with only simple present and present continuous tenses. If we see in the simple present tense, I am here. I am John. I am from America. So this is from simple present. If we look at into the present continuous tense, I am playing. I am eating an apple. I am going to meet my friend Mr. Albert. We also use in the passive voice sentences. The passive voice also we use only in the simple present and present continuous tenses. In the simple present passive, we use like this. I am supported by my father. I am helped at the age of 10 by a foreigner. So this is how we use in the simple present passive voice tenses. We also use in the present continuous in the passive voice. I am being helped for my higher studies. I am being supported to do all my works. So this is how we use am in our day-to-day sentences. Am plays a major role in making sentences. At the same time, am is also used to frame negative sentences such as I am not a small boy. I am not cheating anybody. In the same way, am is also used to frame interrogatives, that means questions. Am I a dog? Am I not participating in the group? Am I gone mad? Enjoy learning speaking English. I am there. You start right now, you speak right then.